So now we are going to see the second sum, that is B sum. So 13 into 70. You know that very well. So first you must multiply the first what? Generally we have to multiply the, you must see the numbers first. 13 into 70. 70 means 7 tens, 7 into 7. Sorry, 7 into 10. So 13 into 70, 13. 1, 3, 13. 7 into 10, what? Sorry, 7 into 10, 70. You know that very well. 13 into 70 you are going to multiply. 70 means 70, okay, 70. So tens means that is 7 into 10 only, you can get 70. Otherwise we can call it as 7 tens, okay. That is here tens means you know that very well, only 1 0 come. First you must consider the 0 always. So what is the, how many zeros here? Tens you are going to multiply by tens. So how many zeros here? Only 1 0. So you must write the 0 at the end. Then you have to multiply the remaining number. That is a rule. That is the first rule. Otherwise you do one thing. First you have to multiply, second rule, you have to multiply the number first. Then you must add the 0 at the end. First count how many 0. Then you must add the 0 at the end. I'll repeat once again. See, first you must multiply by 10 means you must see, you know that very well, you must see the zeros, and you know that 10 means is that what is a 1 0 10 or 7 0 10 means 7 0 means what? 70. That is, otherwise we can call it as 7 tens. So 10 means you know that very well, only 1 0. So you must what? Consider the 0 and you must write the 0 at the end first. Then you must multiply the remaining numbers. This is the rule 1. If you want to follow the rule 2, first you have to multiply the numbers. Then you have to check the 0. How many 0? 10 means only 1 0. So you must write the 0 at the end. After the number you must write the 0 at the end. That's the second rule. So which is your convenient, you can follow that method. So I have written the 0. So I am going to do the normal method also. So 13 into 7. 13 into 7, you know that very well. So I know the table very well. So 91. That means answer is 910. This is the right answer. Otherwise you can do the normal method. So 30, 0 and 10, 0. And 7 into 3. So the ones place you must 0. So already once you have to multiply. So 300 and 100. So and 7 you are going to multiply. That is 7 is a tens place. So in the ones place you must what? You must write 0. Because now I am going to multiply by 10. That is the reason I must put 0 in the ones place. So 7 3s are 21. You know this. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So I must write 21s. 21 means 1 ones and 2 tens. That is 21s, right? 21. That is here. That is 2 1. That is 2. The 21 means you know that very well. This is what is this? 21, right? That means 1 you have to write in the, this is ones and tens, but anyhow you are going to, how we are going to say this, because 1 tens and 2 hundreds, that is what you are going to say. So you must, if you write 21 tens, this is called as 21 tens because you are going to multiply by 7 tens, okay. So 7 tens is going to multiply by 3. So 7 into 3 you can get 21. This is not, this is 21 means 21 tens. So this is 110 and 200. First I said, sorry, I've said wrong. So 21, that is 21 tens, that is 1 tens and 2 hundreds. This 1 tens you have to write in the what? Tens place. The remaining 2 you have to write it on the top. 1 7s are 7, 7 plus 2 what? 9. You must write 9 here. So 0, then, so what are you going to write? 0 and 1 and 9. So 1s, 10s and 100 and the answer is 910. That is 910. 910, 910, that is what I have written already. So this is simple method and this is a normal method. So first you have to what? Just you have to multiply 13 into 70 means what you are going to do. First the rule for 1 is you just if you multiply by 10 means you have to see how many zeros are here, because you are going to multiply by 10 means you know that very well, only 1 0. So you have to write the 0 at the end, then the remaining numbers you have to multiply. So 13 into 7, you must say the 7th table, it is easy for you. So 7th table up to 13 you have to say, the answer is 91. So what is this? 910 is the right answer. 910, 910, that is 900, 110 and 0 ones. This is the right answer, 910. That is 910, 910. This is the right answer. So this normal method, you know that 13 into 70. So first you have to multiply by 0. So 0 is going to multiply by what? 13 means you must know that very well. 13 into 0, any number is multiplied by 0, you know that very well is 0. So no need to write 2 zeros. Better you write only 1 0 is sufficient. But anyhow, it's a normal method. That is what I can teach this method also. So 0 into 3, 0, and 0 into 1, 0. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by 7 tens into 13. So in the ones place, you must what? You must write 0, because you are not going to write in the ones place. So ones place I must put 0, because if you want to add means if you don't write 0 in the particular, that means 0 in the ones place, suppose you are going to add means you will get confused. Sorry, you will get confused. That is the only reason. In the ones place I've written 0. So now I'm going to multiply by 10. So 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. So that is 21 means that is called as 21 tens. That is 1 10 and 2 hundreds. That is a right method. So 1 tens I've written in the ones place. 1 tens I've written in the tens place. So 1 10 I've written in the tens place. The remaining 2. This remaining 2 is go to the 100 place. So 1 7 7 7 plus 2 9. So 0 0 plus 0 0 and 0 plus 1 1 and 9. The answer is 910. The answer is 910. This is right method, right answer also. Now we are going to see the fill in the blanks. So 8 into 100, you know that how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So you have to write 2 0 at the end. 2 zeros. 2 0 at the end. So at remaining numbers 1 into 8, 8. The answer is 800. The answer is 800. Next, so 100 into 21. So in 100 means you know that very well, 2 zeros. So you must write the 2 zeros at the end. The remaining number 1 into 21. So any number is multiplied by 1, you know that you can get the same number. So what you are going to do, you must write 21. 21 is the right answer for this question. Next. So 100 into dash. So as we dash into 100, the answer is 75 00. That is 7500. So you have to write 75 here. 75 into 100. So what is the number? 75. I am going to multiply 100. You can get this answer 75 00. So that means 7500. So 75 you have to write, and double zeros you must add as it is at the end, because you are going to multiply by you are going to multiply by 100. 100 means you know that very well, 2 zeros. You must write the 2 zeros at the end. Then the remaining number 1 into 75, you can get 75. So that is the answer is 75 in this blank. You have to write 75 in the blank. This is the right answer for the question. Then again 100 is going to multiply by what? This is the blank. You have to fill up the blank. The answer is 17 and double zeros, 1700. So double zeros you must write the double zero at the end. The remaining number is 1 into some number you have to write. You must write a particular number. That means in that particular place 17. So 17 into 1 you can get 17. Then as it is double zero at the end. So 1700 is the right answer. Otherwise you can do one thing, 75 00, that means 7500. The number is 100. If you divide 7500 is divided by what? 7500 is divided by 100. You can cancel these two zeros. 75 divided by 1, you can get 75. So this is also one method. This is the division method. Okay, you can choose any one method and you can do that. Another one, next one is here. The answer is 1700 is going to divide by, because 1700, this is the answer. You have to find out the question. So in the middle number is 100. So 1700 is going to divide by 100. That means you have to cancel these two zeros. 17 divided by 1. 17 divided by 1. You can get what? 17. 17 is the right answer. So you can choose any one method. You can fill in the blank. I think so you understand all the concept very clearly.